Right, so once upon a time, I had a job, and someone I used to work with said they paid £20 a unit to have IKEA cabinets put together. So I've always wondered how much money those people made from making units. And so I've done a couple of units already to warm up, and I'm going to time myself to put together a standard 60 by 60 IKEA unit to the point where it's ready to put on the wall. And so this is going to be my timed video to see how well I do. Cool. I'm going to hit start. Where the mouse was. Go. Cool, so, oh, have you come to help now? I finished. Yeah, what's in here? So I can do one in 12 minutes, which means I can do 5 an hour. So that's based on the prices that one of my old work colleagues got charged. That's £100 an hour. So it's pretty good rate of pay for doing these things, I suppose. If you like this video, I will see you in the next one, hopefully. And please remember to like and subscribe to the channel as well, because it helps the channel grow.